Yo, what's up, guys? We're playing Roblox, and I'm going to be running toward Jenny. Not actually running, I'm going to use the plane too. First, we need to go on this way because we're in Greater Rockford. That's the training center over there we started from. We're going to go off road. Woohoo! Oh, actually, my bad for the woohoo. That actually sounded so goofy. Why does it feel like we're in water? We're just jumping in the water. Wait, who remembers Shark Bite? Oh my god. Oh, there's Great Rockford Airport. Almost at the airport. Sorry, I need to scratch my face. So, come on, little bro, we going. Come on, little bro, we need to go. My bad if I'm saying bye. How long will this take me? First, we are running to Greater Rockford Airport, not Rockford, actual Greater Rockford, because we're already in Greater Rockford. See? Whoever wants to friend me, you can friend me. Like, I'm accepting friend requests. Like, not lying. So I just got my new iPad because I passed my exams, and I'm going to start posting on my YouTube channel. So I need to transfer this video to my mother's phone and then I post it in that. First I need to make a voiceover or something. I'm gonna go through this building. We can actually go through buildings. Oh, we can't go through this one. I think we reached the airport. Is it above us? Yeah, it's right here. Let's go. I'm gonna go full speed. Bro, look at me running like Sonic. Sea of Thieves, listening with the team. Lighting up, no. Sea of Thieves, listening with the team. Okay, so what plane are you getting, if anybody's asking? I'm getting one of my favorite planes. See, as you can see, we're here in Greater Rockford. It's getting one of my favorite planes. My favorite plane is it's a modern military. Not a B-2 bomber. If you're like, oh, it's a B-2 bomber, I'm guessing. You're completely wrong. My favorite is 14D. It actually looks bad, but I love the Grim Reaper. Shoot. Okay, so first, gotta click on this button to go back. Oh yeah, I forgot my intro. Yo, what's up, guys? Today we're going to Jenny. First we started running from the training center, which I'll show you. Then we'll go to Jenny. I'm just too lazy to go on the actually 50. I want to go a little fast. Speed up nice for take off. But we took off. We took off maybe. Flying straight to that's the smallest airport in the world. That's also the smallest airport. Airbase game. I think I used this one last time. Wait. Crashed. I'm gonna slow down. I'm gonna We gotta keep now falling through the sky. I'm cringing right now. 50. Come in here. Down, down in the sky, and we're falling through the night. Angel, I'm gonna turn off my engine. Straight on dive. We land perfectly. And we're about to jump off, jump off. Ooh, just almost fell off that area. Bro, that's how a plane crashes. Hopefully we have the aircraft. Wait, this is the second smallest, right? I feel like this is the second smallest. Okay, light aircraft. Nah, I think old military. Phantom, right? Thunderbirds, exactly. This is one of my favorite planes. Exactly, it has a smoke. Exactly, let's go. Let's go. This exact plane I love. Turn around. And we're stalling and taxiing at the same time. Are we taking off? What? We turn off the engine. Do we properly stay how we are? There's a plane landing. I'm about to take off, bro. Let me take off in peace. Turn on the engine. This should have really been. Oh, lift off. Oh my god, I can take off the plane. Ooh, look at that. I wish I was under so, this path, bro, that just looks fire. We're going to Virginia. Flying to Virginia with the homies. Oh, sorry, I'm not cringing right now. Spoke off. Oh, I always see it. It's like a deep crash. Do a full 2 rotation. So 2 going higher as we rotate. It's like a spiral. And we're gonna take off to Virginia, which is over this way. straight ending for us. One little more down. Just a straight. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. We're actually getting too close now. There's the water down. Oh! Saved it. Managed to save it. Managed to save it. Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa, the... Denny, I can see it right there, and I can see Tokyo Station. Look at that light. It's so crazy. Look how that looks, bro. Just coming from. Imagine just flying in the air with smoke. Straight down to 100 feet. We're gonna land on that bridge. I think that's a bridge. Smoke off, smoke on. Why does that actually look so cool? Like, I'm gonna put this speed of this way. Oh, Tokyo's over there. We're going this way. Watch it. Full backup mode. Putting our gear down. Where's to alert that we're coming down. No plane should be on the runway. And once we use the brakes, which the brakes are free. Actually, I turn like 25. Taxiing right now. Should I keep the smoke up more? Okay, we have landed. Everyone who's on the plane, basically me, should be leaving right now. Nope, 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 nope. Oh, no, no. Hey, well. Thanks for flying with us. Or was actually. So, yeah. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.